Now, the next property that we are going to deal with is associativity. Associativity. So, first of all, we have to understand the meaning of what associativity means. Okay. So, if you want to relate this word associativity, you must have word the word that is association. Association. What is association? Association is basically grouping. Association is a group of people that works for certain cause. Okay, you form certain groups. You form certain group of people, and you say they are associated for a suitable cause. Okay, you group. It's like grouping. Okay, association is like grouping, grouping of something, anything. It can be anything. Grouping. So when we are trying to understand associativity of whole number. So okay, the group here is whole number and associativity property that we are going to check on it. So first we are understanding definition. Suppose A, B, C are whole number and they are grouped in a certain manner. First group is A bracket B and C. Bracket means you give precedence to things under bracket first. And another group is having same member A, B, C, but here we have included B and C under bracket. So B and C is now being given more precedence. So in this A, B, C three whole number, we have associated A and B in a group and kept C uh, alone. In next association, we have kept A alone and B and C in a single group. So these are forming different grouping or association. So when we group certain numbers and grouping does not affect the result. Okay, the final result is not affected by grouping. Then we say that the associativity property is being followed. Now we will check one by one. For first, for the case of addition. For the case of addition. Okay, first we will check for the case of addition. A, we have three numbers. That's whole number A, B, C. Then we group A plus B first. It should be equal to, we should get this equal if this LHS is equal to RHS is being followed. We will say that it is working for associativity property is working for addition. So we should check a whole number. We can one as A as 1, B as 0 and C as 5. Okay, now we will check. We will make group of A and B and the result is 6. Now in the second grouping, we will do grouping of 0 and 5. Okay, 0 and 5. In this case also, our result is going to be 6. So LHS is going to be RHS. So this is addition is, we can say associative. We will check for subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So in first example, we have taken same. We will just change the sign of operation to subtraction. 1 minus 0 minus 5. What will be the result? 1 minus 5 will be minus 4. The second will be 1 minus 0 minus 5. This time our result will be 1 plus 5. It is going to be 6. So the LHS is not being equal to RHS. So we will say subtraction is not associative for whole number. Now we will check off multiplication. Okay, multiplication. First we will see with our example. So 1 into 0 We will keep it in the bracket and then we will multiply it by 5. Result we get 0. And the second one, 1 into 0 into 5, we will bracket this one. The result we are getting 0. We are getting LHS equal to RHS. Here one more example is given. A is 7, B is 2, and C is 5. So they have excluded A alone and B and C together. So in this case, result is 10 into 7, that is 70. And in this case, result is 14 into 5, that is 70. So we getting LHS is equal to RHS. So multiplication is associative for whole number. For any three whole number A, B, and C, A into bracket B into C bracket close is equal to bracket A into B bracket close into C. Now we will check for division. Okay, let's check with this example. Okay, so 7 by 2 inside bracket divided by 5. It's the final result we will get. First we will do bracket operation, so it will be 2 by 5. So the result will be 5 by 2, that is 35 by 2. The LHS side is 35 by 2, and we will check for this one. So we will write this one as 7 divided by 2 bracket divided by 5. So first we will have to solve this one. This is 7 by 2 divided by 5. Okay, then it will be 7 by 2 into 1 by 5. We are getting 7 by 10. So here RHS side we are getting 7 by 10, and LHS side we are getting 35 by 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS, so we will say division is not associative. For whole number, division is not associative. We can check for this one also for division. So we will write first equation as 4 divided by bracket close 6 divided by 0. But anything divided by 0 is not going to be defined, so we can't solve this. So we have to skip it. But anyways, we have seen for one example, and therefore division is not associative. So this one we checked associative property for whole number. Okay. Now we should similarly check this for integers. Okay, we should check associativity property for integers. So for first they are checking for addition. So A they have taken -2, B 3, and C is -4. So they have kept group 3 and 4 -4 together, and in case -2 and 3 together. So we will check. First we will check compute what's going to be the result of this one. So it is going to be -2 plus inside we will get 3 -4, that is -1, and the result we will get -2 -1, that is -3. For this side we will get, first we will operate this one, -2 plus 3, that is +1, plus -4. Okay, -4 plus 1, that is -3. So we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say addition is associative. There is another example also. So we will solve this. -6 plus the bigger bracket -4 plus -5, that is -9. Okay, result will be -15. Okay, then RHS side, first bigger bracket minus 6 plus minus 4, that is minus 10. Then this one plus minus 5. So 10 plus minus 10 plus minus 5 will be minus 15. So LHS is equal to RHS. It is being proved. Next for subtraction we have to check. Subtraction we will check this A, B and C, and A is kept alone, B and C are grouped together. So first we will solve this one. So 5 minus 7 minus 3 we will get 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we will solve for this one. 5 minus 7 is minus 2 minus 3. It is going to be minus 5. So LHS is not going to be equal to RHS. So in this case, subtraction is not associative for integers. Now we will check for multiplication. The, the LHS side we will solve 5 into inside bracket we will get minus 7 into minus 8, that is minus 56. Now 5 into minus 56 is 30 minus 280. LHS side we are getting minus 280. Now LHS side, first we will multiply 5 into minus 7, that is minus 35. Then minus 8. Okay, minus minus will be positive to 40 280. Okay, so okay, sorry. This side we will not get. This side we are getting plus 240. This side also we will get plus 280 because here inside the bracket this minus minus will cut out. Okay. So we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. We will understand with another example also. Okay. Here A is minus 4, B and C are minus 8 and minus 5. So we will try to solve. So minus 4 into inside bracket minus 8 into minus 5, that is minus minus will cut out. We will get 160 minus 160 minus 160. And RHS side, what we will get? First we will operate this bigger bracket. So minus 4 into minus 8 is 32. Minus minus will cut out into minus 5. Okay, into minus 5. We will get 160 minus of 160. Okay, so LHS will be equal to RHS. Then we can show multiplication is associative for integers. Now again we will check for next for division. Okay, so first we will operate this bigger bracket, that is minus 10 divided by 2. We will get minus 5 divided by minus 5. Okay, that will be minus 5 into 1 by minus 1 by 5. So result will be 1. Minus minus will cut out. Now RHS side, what will we get? RHS side we will get minus 10 is outside bracket and divided by 2 divided by minus 5, that is minus 2 by 5. Okay, now minus 10 into minus 5 by 2, that is 50 by 2. Minus minus will cut out. So here RHS we are getting 50 by 2, that is 25, and LHS we are getting 1. So this is not being equal. Division is not associative for integers. Now moving next for rational numbers, we will check the property of associativity. So A, B, C, A is minus 2 by 3, B is 3 by 5, and C is minus 5 by 6. So we will solve this one. So this is going to be, in, we have associated A plus C. Okay, so its results, if we're trying to solve, minus 2 by 3, oh, sorry, minus 2 by 3, okay, plus, we'll solve the inside bracket, it is going to be 30 plus 18 plus minus 5 into 5, 25, minus 25. So minus 2 by 3 plus minus 25, 18 plus minus 25 by 30. Minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 30. Yeah, 30 was it? 30. So minus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 30. 30 as a LCM, minus 20 minus 7. So minus 27 by 30. We multiple 9 times and 10 times. So we are getting 9 by 10 in LHS side. 9 by 10 minus 9 by 10. In RHS side, we are grouping this one. A plus B plus C. Okay. We are getting minus 2, grouping minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 3 together, 3 by 5 together, and keeping this one C alone. So in this case, first we will solve the things inside bracket. So 15 will be the LCM. 15 minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 3. So it will be minus 10 plus 9 by 15. So minus 1 by 15. Okay, this thing is minus 1 by 15. Minus 1 by 15 plus minus 5 by 6. Okay, so LCM we will get 30. So minus 2 plus minus 5 into 5. So minus 2 minus 25 by 30. That is 27 by 30 minus 9. So 3 9 ja and 3 10 ja, minus 9 by 10. Here also we were getting minus 9 by 10. So we can say that rational number is associative for addition, since LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so here is the next exercise for you. Okay, find minus 1 by 2 plus inside bracket 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3, and we have to compare this. Here A is minus 1 by 2, B is 3 by 7, and C is 3 by minus 4 by 3. So first they associate, they have keep this one in one group, and for RHS side they have kept A and B in one group and kept C alone. So if we try to solve this LHS side, what we will get? First we will solve the things inside bracket, that is this one we will solve. Okay, so how much we are getting? LCM will be 21, 7 3s are, so 9 plus 3 7 ja, so minus 28. Okay, minus 28 plus 9 is equal to minus 19. Minus 19 by 21. We are getting towards LHS side. Now RHS, oh, sorry, this is just the thing inside bracket. After that, this one is going to be minus 19 by 21 is going to be added to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so the LCM will be 42. So minus 21 minus 38. It is, next we will have 9 and 59 minus 59 by 42 minus 59 by 42. Now we will check RHS side. So first we will solve this thing under bracket. That is, LCM is going to be 14. So it is going to be minus 7. This is going to be 7 two times, so 6. So it's going to be minus 1 by 14. Now minus 1 by 14 plus minus 4 by 3. So LCM will be 42. So 3 times, so minus 3. Here it is going to be 14 times, to minus 56. So minus 59 by 42. So RHS also we are getting minus 59 by 9, 59 by 42, and LHS also we are getting same minus 59 by 42. So we can say that addition is following associativity property in case of whole number. Take some more rational number, add them as above, and see if the two sums are equal. We find that addition is associative for rational numbers. That is, for any three rational numbers a, b, and c, a plus bracket b plus c bracket close is equal to under bracket a plus b bracket close plus c. Okay, just grouping. We don't change in associative property. We doesn't change the position. A, B, and C are all on their position. You know, between A, B, and C, the common operation that we are using is addition, but we are just changing the groups. Okay. In first case, LHS side, we have kept A alone. In second case, we have kept C alone. Next, we will check for subtraction. So, from similarity, you can say that for subtraction, it will not be associative. But we will verify, we have to verify with some result. So, LHS side, we are getting, first we will solve this LHS side. So, minus 2 by 3 is outside bracket. So, first the thing inside bracket is minus 2 by 3 minus, here we will get 10 minus 8 minus 5. Okay, minus 2 by 3 minus 13 by 10. So it will be, LCM will be 30. So minus 20 minus 39. So it will be minus 59 by 30. Minus 59 by 30. For this case, RHS side we will solve. So inside bracket common is LCM is 15. 3 5 ja 15 to 2 5 ja 10 bracket 5 3 are 2 minus 12. Okay, so 10 minus minus will be plus 12 by 15, that is 22 by 15. So it is the thing inside bracket. We have just found out minus 1 by 2. So common factor will be 30, 44 minus 15. 44 minus 15 is going to be 9. 3 minus 1 is 29 by 30. 29 by 30. We get RHS side is 29 by 30 and LHS side is 59 by 30, which are not equal to each other. So subtraction is not associative for rational number. Now we will check for multiplication. There is one example already they have given. A is minus 7 by 3, B is minus 5 by 4, and C is is 5 by 4, and C is 2 by 9. So uh, RHS side we will get LHS side we will get 7 by 3. We will first solve the term inside bracket 10 by 36. Actually, it will simplify. Simplify 5 by 18. Or you can also simplify here also. Okay, 5 by 18. So minus 7 by 3 into 5 by 18. Okay, that is 35 by 54 minus. So minus 35 by 54. Now in the RHS side, they have grouped 7 minus 7 by 3 and 5 by 4 together. So we will solve this one. This is going to be minus 35 divided by 12 into 2 by 9. Okay, actually common factor, no common factor. So we are getting minus 35 minus 35 by 12 into 2 by 9. So it will be 6. Common factor. So 9 into 6 is 54, and on the side we have minus 35 on numerator, minus 35 by 54. So RHS we were getting equal to RHS, that is 35 by 54. So we can say multiplication is associative for rational number. Multiplication is associative for rational numbers. That is for three rational numbers A, B, and C. The grouping A into B bracket B into C bracket close is equal to under bracket A into B into C. Okay, so we can also check for one more example. Here this one is under LHS side and this one is under RHS side. Okay, so minus 7 by, okay, if we have solved this, this one is another example. 2 by 3 into minus 6 by 7. Okay, so 2 by 3 into under bracket we will get 24 minus 24 by 35. It is 2 into minus 24 minus 25 to 3. This one is common 8 times. So minus 16 by 35. We are getting LHS side. RHS side, we will first solve this one. So this one is common 2. So minus 4 by 7 into 4 by 5. Minus 16 by 35. So in this case also LHS is equal to RHS. So we will say that for rational numbers multiplication is associative. Now we will check for division. For division whether it is associative or not. Because that division is not associative for integers. Then what about rational numbers? Okay, we will check. Most probably you can say that it will not be associative, not associative, because and we just what we can infer that for addition and multiplication mostly the groupings and places does not matter, but for division and subtraction, the places or associations matters. Okay. Now we will just verify it by one example. So this one is LHS side and this one is RHS side. Here A is 1 by 2, B is minus 1 by 3 and C is 2 by 5. So in the first example, they have grouped B and C together and kept A outside. In the second example, not in the second or in the RHS side, they have kept 1 and B in one group, 1 and B in one group, and kept C alone. So we will first solve its LHS side. So 1 by 2 divided by under bracket this thing. So 1 by 3 into 5 by 2. It will just turn upside down. So 1 by or inverse 2 divided by inside bracket we will get minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 6 by 5, that is minus 3. So minus 3 by 5 will be our final result for LHS side. Okay. For LHS side. For RHS side, what will be our result? This one is RHS. It is written here. So 1 by 2. First we will solve the term inside bracket into minus 3 by 1. Okay. So divided by 2 by 5. That is minus 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 5. Now minus 3 by 2 into this will turn upside down into 5 by 2. It is going to be minus 15 by 4. Minus 15 by 4, which is obviously not equal to minus 3 by 5. So you just check out and find out that division is not associative for rational numbers. Next, there is one example. This is one table.